Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A German national of Rheinfelden in Switzerland has been reported missing. She is 27-year-old Lisa Jame. She is of a fair complexion, medium built, and 170 centimeters or 5 feet 10 inches tall. The Lucy police report that Jame was last seen in Ocharaya, St. Anne's at about 1 p.m. My viewers and subscribers, wanna see them something here? You see? Wanna see what happened? German national reported missing and last seen in Ocharaya. So you see, when time, USA, when Canada, when the people them are put out them travel advisory, wanna feel leave the people them alone. It's a pity Switzerland never put out none. You understand? It's a pity Switzerland never put out none. And Andrew Holness make it look like everything is under control in Jamaica, which is a lie. Everything is not under control because people are dead left, right, and center. People are missing left, right, and center, including babies, including elderly people, including the whole works. You understand me? So when me hear someone come out, you see, when me see all Gugu Gaga, when me see the way how them a behave, when me see not Everall, when me Edmund Bartlett, when me see the all of them come out and talk about no Jamaica is crime and violence reduced, it is a damn lie. Shame on the shame. Just trying to want the people their money. Just trying to want tourist money. When I tell lie, you know so when I wicked, you know for stop it. And then I have some Jamaican go on like say a lie. The travel advisory, I tell everything in travel advisory, them I tell lie. You know, stay there. Them know Jamaica like on a baka, not even uno we born and grew a Jamaica. No know Jamaica like USA people. Them wanna hear me? Uno stay there. My viewers and subscribers, you know, I say me bring this across, make uno know what's really happening. You understand? Because Edmund Bartlett and Andrew Holness, Nigel Clark, the all of them are going like say violence and crime is reduced, which is it not reduced. It is a lie. Peer killing all the while. Peer killing. As Mr. Tono say, I know everything me show on over here when it come to killing. On the one and two me we pick out. You get me? But really and truly, I hope them say she's missing. I hope them find her. I hope. Me have to use that word, because 99% out of the time when somebody missing, you don't see them back. They always end up dead. You get me? And it is a sad situation to see how tourists can come to our country and they go missing. That for sure, I say, I to stop a different Andrew Holness, because Andrew Holness I live in media to make it look like to the world like everything good. But the world inside Jamaica, live inside Jamaica, and them know exactly what is going on. So I just hope the family, find her. I hope them find her and everything go all right. Jaja. We just have to hope for the best. Anyway, hear this. The St. Andrews South Police says the war to control turf in the police division has led to a rise in shootings. My viewers and subscribers, wanna listen good. Let me read it again. Because remember, say Andrew Holness say things reduce now, So make me read it for you. In the article. Anytime when you hear me, I read out of the article and it's up to date. All right. The St. Andrews South Police says the war to control turf in the police division has led to a rise in shootings within the police division over the last 3 weeks. That assessment following the shooting death of a man in Greenwich Farm and another attack in Duhaney Park on Wednesday. So my viewers and subscribers, want to see what is happening right now. Shootings again. You understand me? So this is why I have to bring all these things across. Just for sure, say, Prime Minister wanna come over here. I try to cuss me about. Yeah? When you know, so when me talk my mind, you know, me just talk my mind. I don't care. So when you get vexed and gone in on no feelings, that I found a business because you only look stupid. I cuss over somebody, we are thief from the island and don't care about uno. He not even care about uno health. You get me? This man is just a liar. Andrew Holness is just a big liar. He just try to look good so tourists then can come in, so he can take it tourists the money. My viewers and subscribers, don't be fooled. Don't be fooled by Andrew Holness. A pure lying tale. You understand? Even when they tell the people them say, oh, everything I go all right. Know say right now, inflation and it's in the paper. It come on the news. Inflation I go increase. So, stay there. No know yet, man. Not ready yet. Andrew does a wait. Andrew well want get this, man. Andrew well want win, you know. Then you go see. I'm sorry for you. Stay, green people, but now walk up and down in a green beard and honest. I'm sorry for you. You understand? I'm really sorry for you because I can't believe say a man like that when I care about uno. Uno really run up and down for. Uno even try to attack the PNP people them. Uno want kill off on brothers and sisters over Andrew Holness. Over Andrew Holness, we don't give a shit about Uno. Uno stay there. I'm sorry for Uno. Uno stay there and open Uno eyes. Uno need to do the right thing and put the X beside the head because a changes we want. A changes we want. And all of the people, them, all of the blogger, them, we are go around and go on like say, they want to come disrespect my Golden. I go on like say, you have to be a bully to be seen. I have to be a bully to be prime minister. Nothing no go so. If you go back and listen to Michael Manley. When Michael Manley tell you say, if you go study. If you go get wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. That is what Michael Manley say. And that me always tell you. If you don't have knowledge and you don't have understanding, but if you don't have wisdom, you still lack of something. You understand? That's why enough for uno when me see a run around. Uno not have the wisdom. You see all of the green people them, they not do research and they not know for themselves. So this is why me say uno lack of knowledge. And uno go perish because uno just listen to people say that, say Tom, say Jerry, say. That's all uno do. Uno not try to understand. Uno not do research. Too much technology is here for uno not know what is happening. Too much technology. Andrew Holness under big investigation. Andrew Holness no fear run for no election. Andrew Holness no fear seek no office if he be disqualified. This is why I am upset with the PSOJ because they are hypocrites. Because them know say Andrew Holness, me talk about this every day. And me nah go stop. Whether una like it or not, me nah go stop. The PSOJ know that Andrew Holness is under heavy investigation. They know that Andrew Holness come out to the cabinet policy called a gag order just because they don't want the MP then come out. The opposition side actually, they don't want them to come out and talk against them. This is why Andrew Holness come and take out a policy, a so-called policy. My viewers and subscribers. The PSOJ not doing nothing. And now you have the ECJ take on the role of a political ombudsman. Really. Andrew Holness wanna sign the code of conduct. Them a talk about them a take complaint for misconduct. Andrew Holness say all on for look pan. But true because the whole of them a work for Andrew Holness. Listen, my viewers and subscribers, yeah? You see this election here, Andrew will go any length. And he will wrap it up. And I just feel like at that Andrew Holness I go do. That's why I say Mark Golden have to have his eye out. Mark Golden, you have to have somebody that is your eye and your ears when you're not there. Somebody that is trustworthy. Because Andrew Holness a whole heap of money him a pay out. A whole heap of money Andrew Holness a give out. Them a give out left, right and center. We know what going on the ground. We know exactly what is happening. All the police them, you see the whole of the police them and the whole of them the people there, we say them a go vote. They need to keep an eye on. They need to keep an eye on them one day. Also, my viewers and subscribers, one of my subscribers, they commented and they wrote, they said, look closely at the ballot paper they are giving you on election day. They gave a policeman ballot from different polling division. Listen when me I say, let me read it again. Look closely at the ballot paper they are giving you election day. They gave a policeman ballot from different polling division. He had to close down the polling division this morning because they gave him a ballot from Tivoli and he doesn't live there. He checked and all the ballots were from Tivoli. The JLP trying to steal the election. So my viewers and subscribers, it's one of my fans, then put it in the comment section. So I'm just reading this so everybody can know what is happening. You understand? Me don't know if it's true or not because me never do any research about it. I just see the person commented and it caught my eye. And when I read it, I believe it's true. I believe it's true. Even though I not do no research. Yeah, but I believe it's true because I see Andrew Holness we go to any length. I didn't do any research on this one. Yeah, me make it clear. So I never do any research on this one. But I'm going to look into it. You understand? But I know that Andrew Holness is up to something. And the reason why I said that from the ECJ is taking the role of a political ombudsman. I know that Andrew Holness wants to steal the election. He really wants to win because a whole heap of things Andrew Holness do, my viewers and subscribers. A whole heap of ranks him a do, A whole heap of ranks, That's why he can't declare, He can't declare in asset, A whole heap of things Andrew Holness a do, So you see, if you see the local government right now, if Mark Golden win it now, you know how it going, Mark Golden go in every single thing. You get me? Andrew Holness no want that. He don't want that. That's why you say my eye pop on a true award, but Mark Golden act like a general election. When I him act like a general election, because I him the one that stand up in a top of Kiara wave like Miss World. You get me? So my viewers and subscribers, tell me one thing. Put on honest opinion in the comment section. I'm going to play my favorite over here. So I'm wanting to listen to this. The reason why I play it. Also, as I said, one of my fan them, they asked me to do it. And I think it's the best thing to do. Wanna listen to Michael Manley. Wanna make this rigid in our head. You understand? Listen to it over and over because what this man say make a lot of sense. Hear this.
Our party must be first in studying. You must study. If you're a socialist, you must study. You must study. That's why we start all the great programs, literacy, so that we can bring knowledge. True knowledge is power. You must read. Now I have a book called Manley and the New Jamaica. Who should find a way to read it. My own little book I write for you is you I write it for. Politics of change is you I write it for. To give you wisdom and understanding. Read it. Make group bite and somebody read it and want to discuss it because you must be first in study. Knowledge is power. My last word is for the role of leadership. First of all, the leadership of socialism must walk in humility. Humility must be humble. Must be humble. Must always be humble. There is no place for arrogance in the party that I lead. And anybody that is arrogant over the people must get out of leadership. The only one that is fit to lead is the one that walks hand in hand, shoulder to shoulder, equal with the people, loving with the people. That's why I don't want no big flashy motor car. I don't want nobody in my party go with flashy clothes. I dress simple. And I drive in a simple little car. And Bev driving a simple little car. Because we must walk with the people. The day we think we're bigger than the people, we have no business to lead. Socialism walks in humility with the people. If you're a socialist, you must have love and concern. And if you're a leader, you must stay close to the people. I said to the leaders of socialism, stay close to the people. When the people are worried and unhappy, don't run away from them. Stay close like a shepherd. Give them love. Give them care. That is socialism. The leader in socialism must know so that he can explain. He must understand so that he can lead. He must inspire by example. And above all, he must have integrity. Integrity, integrity, integrity. Only honesty can lead the people in socialism. Therefore, my comrades, let us build together. And I call upon you now, in the name of the Father, in the name of God, in the name of Allah.
Me I practice my ex. Cause I want to make sure say my part don't spoil this election day. Long time them labor right there for gone, you know. Them two uncaring, man. Make sure say my mark the ex right there, so. Cause I don't want the ballot spoil. See that ex, yeah? For the teacher them wanna get them pay. You see that ex, yeah? And for the people them want dead pan hospital bench cause they never have no bed. You see that ex, yeah? And for the police them want work overtime and can't get them overtime pay. Yeah, man. See that ex, yeah? And for the big salary what the politician them give themselves, and I can't give little salary to the people them. That ex right now, yeah. For the nurse them. The nurse them. If you are working long hours and can't get no pay, if you go off foreign to try to survive. You see, oh man, that ex, yeah? This is because that time they take the bulldozer and mash up the house them out of Clifton. You see that ex, yeah? And the arrogance and the dictatorship where them try to run the country under. You see one there right there, so I feel all of the disrespect where they want to come get Jamaican. I make sure I say me mark my ex properly. Time come for a change. Time come for a better Jamaica.
My viewers and subscribers, all of the undecided voters, all of the PNP, all of the true Jamaican people, all our brave Jamaicans that want best for ourselves and want best for Jamaica, wanna do the right thing and put the X beside the head. Like up the video, my people, share it out and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome and on a big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.